So I started a YouTube channel in around the June of 2022. I thought, you know what, I did a YouTube video a while ago, so why don't I try and make a YouTube channel again? It might be quite fun. And I was just getting onto my sort of self-improvement journey, so I was uploading videos well, I was kind of doing more gym videos, but you know, I knew they were rubbish, but I knew that I had to just keep going to get better. So far, I hadn't told anyone except maybe my parents. I was kind of worried about anyone finding out. At the same time, I thought, surely there's no way anyone will find out because, you know, it's a new YouTube channel, so how the hell will anyone get to see it? But then, literally only maybe a month or two later, someone found my channel. To this day, I'm not 100% sure how they found my channel, but it didn't even matter because they'd found the link and they'd sent it to a group chat with everyone, and you know, it was over. I had that deep bad gut feeling inside of me because my secret had been exposed. Of course, some people kind of like, oh yeah, it's kind of nice, it's alright, but most people were laughing at it and think, you know, what the hell is this guy doing? He thinks he can be a YouTuber. And then from that point onwards, it just kind of spiraled, you know. They found out, then they ended up telling other people, or a separate group of people found out, and then I got, you know, messages from people saying, oh, look at this, so stupid, what are you doing? And then I got more messages from other people, some messages from, you know, my real friends. And over the span of a few months was probably the worst period in time, especially as I was starting back in school again and I was getting people coming up to me in school. It was so embarrassing and so awkward. Even if someone was saying something nice, I was still just embarrassed to talk to someone about it in public because, you know, there's other people around and they'd be like, oh, you have a YouTube channel? Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. And then they ask to see it, and then I'm like, they watch it in front of me, and I can't, it's just so bad. But then after a while, it started to die down. I had a few more embarrassing moments, but even in those embarrassing moments, I'd gotten used to it, and I'd built sort of more of a barrier between me and them making fun of it, so it didn't really affect me as much. And over time, and now, I realized that it was inevitable, so I'm grateful that what happened. If that person originally hadn't found out, it would have just been so much worse because I would have been anxious for so much longer. So I'm so glad that it happened early on. And the point is that the truth sets you free. You've probably heard that before, but I can guarantee you that there's something you're hiding from other people which you would be so embarrassed if they found out. And you know, maybe I'm not telling you to go out and tell everyone and be like, yo guys, I did this really embarrassing thing. Come laugh at me. I'm not saying to do that. Maybe start off by telling someone, just like a friend, then you can build it up from there and get more embarrassed to it, but then get used to it. It means that when you step into a room, you're not holding anything back. You're who you are and who you want to be. It brings a completely different presence to yourself and confidence to yourself when you know that everyone knows your secrets, so no one has any power over you because they know everything about you. It's so much worse for someone to make fun of me when they secretly know about my YouTube channel because they're teasing me, but when everyone knows about it, it's like, oh, who cares anymore? It's already out there, everyone already knows, so it's not even that funny anymore. I can now be so much more relaxed and I can now truly be who I am, because hiding YouTube from other people is literally like hiding a sort of small part of me. It means that in sort of conversations, when it leads to me there, I can't be myself and I have to kind of cower away a little bit and just not respond how I normally should. Of course, depending on the secret that you have, it will vary and maybe you don't need to tell people about it. But if there is something which you're hiding from other people, which people sometimes even maybe make fun of, but not on a massive scale, then just be open with it and be relaxed in it. Know that it's who you are, it's part of you, and then they won't have any more power over you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.